Hey everybody, this is Dave Pereira and welcome to my channel. In my background is 2013 Dodge Challenger. I bought it from the auction and it's a Challenger S60 Plus. It's a V6, it's not a HellCat or a RT or a V8. Just a basic V6, yet it's a S60 Plus. So it has some goodies. And I bought it about 2 weeks ago, I guess, and the shipper just brought it in, so let's go check it out. It's in my backyard right now. I bought this house because it has a carport kind of a deal, so it's a pretty good place to keep my cars till they get fixed. So let's go check it out. I took the battery out because it was dead when it arrived, and have to charge it, so probably won't have any power, but we can still check them out. So let's go through and see what kind of part it needs, and let's see how long it's going to take us to fix it. All right, so this is the beauty. So I mean, it's pretty good for 2013. You have the American racing wheels, all chrome. I'm not a big fan of chrome, but these wheels I do dig it. Like, I mean, they give that kind of muscle car look. I know it's a V6, but yet, hey, the tires looks okay. As you can see, it doesn't have much groove in them, but if the buyer doesn't care, I think it's okay tires. And it has the racing stripes or the rally stripes, black. Probably gonna remove this. I'm gonna replace it, which it will go up to here. I mean, itself, it's not bad, but you know, probably gonna need to, because since this fender is gone, they're gonna blend in here up to the door, so they're gonna take this off. So either way I have to replace them. Got a flat tire. Hopefully it's just can't plug it off. If it need new tires, I'm gonna replace the tires. For 2013, the body looks pretty straight. I can't open the trunk because I already removed the battery, and I forgot to I forgot that there's no manual way to open it, unless this thing, yeah, it's also electrical, so it won't be opening. Hey, the good thing is it has backup sensors, and there's a small damage here. It's not a, I think either somebody hit it during the auction place, somebody hit it, or it actually hit it on the accident itself. And both tires are flat, the rear tires. Yeah, really kind of digging these chrome wheels. Have the iconic chrome gas cap. I have a 2015 Challenger too. I mean, it's exact same thing. So most likely I'm gonna replace these stripes up to here. I mean, I also like this up to here, but we'll see how it turns out. And there's a small scratch. Hopefully it's not deep that we have to repaint the whole side. And the front tires are good, same as the other side. Fake hood scoops. And it's in Wichita. Come to Wichita. And it's already detailed. So, and when they brought it in, this thing wasn't going up, and I kind of fixed it. Since the battery is dead, it's not going up, but Challenger's windows go up and down when you open and close them. There's the inside. I mean, it's pretty clean, and has power seats. Have kind of the carbon fiber deal here. I don't know if it's real or fake. Seems to be it's real, kind of. Right, so has automatic lights. Has a big display, and it does have the push button. Hey, guess what? It does have remote start as well, so it's really good on winter time if you like this. does not have heated mirrors, but I think hopefully has heated seat, so it's going to be a pretty comfortable ride for somebody. So I mean, it's pretty good so far. Okay, let's open the hood and check it out. So let's see what we need as a parts wise. So this is the bumper, remainder of the bumper, please. Ooh, it says RT. Trust me, it's not RT. See, I mean, a lot of people put RT and everything for a V6. I don't blame them. Have one fog light. We can't use this, it's already broken there. Probably gonna buy both the fog lights since it's all scratched. The tab wise, there's a tab here, there's a tab here, which is right here. So we have two tabs holding the bumper, and we have also the signal light. This headlight pretty steady and I pretty good, but I'll probably buy both the headlights because I want it to be matched. All right, let's check out this fake RT. Ooh, it's a V6. I was expecting that, but hey, has the K&N filter, need to be cleaned up really good, but see, it's an original K&N filter, so it's not a fake one. So that's a plus. I think the auction place is so dusty and everything. I've been to the auction places and it's pretty dusty, so I don't know this is from the auction dust or it's been like the car itself, it has like this. So I think most likely it's the auction place because they are pretty dusty over there. So obviously you think the radiator support is good, but I was surprised it's not. As you can see here, right here, this fender bolted on to the radiator support. Without that radiator support, the fender bolt on here, there's no way you can bolt there, which is a really special one, because if you don't replace the radiator support, which this area is missing, your it won't be tight. So that's the problem with a lot of rebuilders. They skip stuff and give bad names to everybody. I have friends who used to do rebuilding and they always skip stuff. They want to go to the cheap route and giving bad names to everybody, you know. It's not just them. If you don't fix it right, then whoever bought their car, they have a bad taste because they got a lemon, because the guy who sold the car did not fix the car correctly, because about 10,000 miles, whatever they put it on, it's gonna come out because it's not correctly built, and nobody wants to buy it. That person will never want to buy another rebuild car because he had a bad experience. So if you doing this, please do it right, you know. So we need to have the radiator support, and the coolant is full, so hopefully the coolant is good. And I don't have a pen to check the AC. Seems to be this whole area is untouched, and what a surprise, bang. Our windshield reservoir is broken too, so probably need to buy one. And it doesn't have a power steering, so I did a closer look up, and you can see there's oil residue. So what I'm thinking was, because right over there, if you can see it, as the power steering reservoir, every time there's impact over here, that's gonna get pinched into the frame and get break. So I think the pump is still okay. As you can see, scuff mark on the pump. So hopefully the pump itself is fine, just because I bought a Charger and it had the same problem, same area damage. Power steering reservoir is broken, but the power steering itself was good. So I hopefully in this case I think in this case the issue gonna be the same, so fingers crossed on that. And we have the inner fender, and obviously this fender is gone. I think my transport guy brought it in and I gave it to him because he said like he's give it to the metal guy or somebody, so I gave it to him because basically it's pointless to have a smashed fender. And I try to keep this backyard clean. So let's see what we need. Obviously the headlight is gone. We need 2 headlights, 2 fog lights. I mean, if you're replacing one headlight, just go ahead and replace both of them, because give the good look on that, so nobody will say like, okay, you fix this side, why didn't you fix the other side? And this is the main concern area. Like you can see, that frame horn is kind of straight, this is all bent, but it's not a really bad bent. You can see this area, it's kind of straight, it's like a little bit of off, not a lot, so the frame guy can fix it without a problem. So I don't think it's a major issue, but the primary damage is this area. So I probably buy a rebar, and I probably ask whether he can replace if he want a new frame horn, or if he can adjust this, bend it back. So most likely he can reuse it. I mean, it has slightly bent but not a lot, but definitely going to replace the rebar itself and the bumper filler. So we need a fender. Inner fender is good, so we need the right side 2 bumper brackets, one to hold the bumper on the bottom and on the front. So 2 bumper brackets, radiator support, windshield reservoir, and the power steering pump. Hopefully it's good. And rebar, obviously the bumper, front grille, the lower grille, and the wind deflector. I have a 1 piece, yay. And a side marker for this side. So the hood inches are fine. Oh, look at this. Somebody's being a good guy, putting all the wire harnesses. I think this is for the fog lights, with the headlights. We'll keep it there. When I close the hood, my guy can find them. Overall, I think it's a pretty good buy. Hood is untouched. So there's not going to be any issues on the hood, on the front area. So guess that's about it, right? Hopefully. So like you saw, the whole car, I think it's a pretty good buy. I mean, there's not major damages. The only kind of damage is not the major or concerning damage, it's a frame itself. It's kind of bent. I mean, it's a wreck car, it's got total, it has a rebuild title, so it's for a wrecked car aspect, I think it's not really bad. The frame guy can easily fix that. And the other one is the power steering pump. Like I said, hopefully the power steering pump itself is good. I know the reservoir is kind of broken, so I saw the oil leaking everywhere, so hopefully the pump itself is good. I mean, I have bought a Dodge Charger, same thing. If there's impact on the rebar, it just crushes that power steering pump, and the charge itself, it was the pump, steering pump reservoir, not the pump. So I hope this case is the same thing. So if that's the case, it's like $60 fix, the reservoir is $60, switch it out, put new fluid in it, and it's ready to go. So fingers crossed on that. So, and in my next videos I will show you the parts that I bought, and hopefully that's the parts I needed, and we can go through the rebuilding process. So let me know what you think. This is my first video. I've been doing, I'm not fixing cars, I buy them, and my mechanic guy, body shop guy, they fix it, and I'm gonna sell them. So let me know what you think. If you like what you have seen, let me know. If you want to comment bad or good, open hearts, open arms, I'll take them both. Let me know what you think, and if you like it, if you want more me to fix anything especially that you like, let me know. I'll try to buy that in my next auction if I have some room left to buy a different car. So